Hey guys, welcome once again to your YouTube channel Being Up to Date. So today I am going to deliver a lecturate on India-Iran relations. So let's begin. So talking about India-Iran relations, Iran initially was the neighbor of Indian subcontinent, but after division of Indian subcontinent, Iran became the neighbor of our son Pakistan. That time the non-aligned India established close military links with Soviet Union and Iran sided with the USA. Iran continues its support to Pakistan and India's support to Iraq during Iran-Iraq war further deteriorated the relations and then soon gradually established as well. Although there are several challenges which affects our relations with Iran, like Iran never support us in any of our conflict with Pakistan, most likely the Kashmir issue, and also the sanctions on Iran made by USA, which prohibits India to make investment in Iran. Although since our independence, India's position is that we only recognizes UN sanctions. But in order to maintain our close ties with USA, Indian government has stopped the import of oil from Iran, which affects the India most, because Iran was India's second largest oil supplier. Also due to sanctions, Chabahar port in Iran got delayed, which is economically and strategically very essential for India, as Chabahar is India's gateway to the Middle East and it is very important to counter CPEC. Now it could easily be seen that Iran is making profit from US sanctions from India, like regarding Farzad gas field, on which Indian gas companies made a heavy investment of about $400 million to find out gas there, and after being success, instead of getting profit, we don't even get compensation. And now after Joe Biden in leadership, there seems a possibility that USA soon lift all the sanctions on Iran, provided that conflict between Iran and Israel won't increase. Then again we will get oil in excess amount from Iran, which helps to boost up the speed of development of our country. And the only thing that we should keep in our mind that Iran will definitely support China if there occurs any choice between China and India, because China is more prosperous than India at present time. So we have to develop more interest towards Iran. So overall, Iran is economically and strategically very important for India. And I think we need to be mediator between USA and Iran, as we need good relations between both of them, so that we won't lose any of our friends Iran and USA, and we will able to invest in Iran freely and dominate there more in Iran than China seeks to dominate there. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.